Hey guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we'll talk about BTC. We'll talk about BTC on a 3D basis and what type of price action we could anticipate over the next like a few weeks and so on, right? So as you can see, what we've been saying over the last few weeks regarding the 3D time frame is pretty simple. What we said was like, as long as we stay above our 3D 21 EMA, right, we're most likely going to see high prices and all that good stuff, right? However, if we break down below the 3D 21 EMA and price action open and close below it, like we just did, it is not going to be a short-term bullish momentum. Okay, it means like bulls, they need to get above the 3D 21 EMA right here. Right now, the 3D 21, it is just about like a 57,450 range, and we need to basically open and close a candle above it. And at the same time, right, we got to get our 6 hour moving averages crossing bullish over the next like a few days and so on. We will take a look at the 6 hour moving averages and all that good stuff, right? The reason why I'm saying it is like, the reason why we went bullish right here, just about like a 45, was like we got a breakout above the 21 EMA. MACD flipped bullish right here. And what happened? We pumped all the way up to 69K after we dumped negative right here below the 21 EMA. What we said was like, just be cautious. We got support right here, just about like a 40K down to a 38K, and we did get support, but we just needed to get the confirmation. Price action, price action was to break out above the 21 EMA, and that's exactly what we did right here. So if you take a look at it right here, back in back in April, May, and all that good stuff, what we said was like, okay, guys, the macro setup is extremely bullish. However, if you recall what we said back in October and all that good stuff, what we said was like, we're going to stay bullish, right? Price action, it is going to be it is most likely going to stay above the 21 EMA right here. MACD, it is positive right there, right? So we're going to stay bullish till we get a bearish sign, right? So if you take a look at it right here, we take a look at it between March, April, May, right? We started to turn negative, right? Right there, okay? On our MACD, we started to turn negative. Oh, nearly, okay? We started the negative momentum like the second, third week of March till basically we flipped bullish right around like July. So you take a look at it, it is a very, very extensive downtrend right here. Are we going to see the same sort of a downtrend where we're going to get the negative momentum like let's say from November all the way down to like a March, April? I don't think so, but we will basically monitor it. But the main thing is like, whenever we start like trading below the 21 EMA, we just have to be cautious till we get a bullish momentum. Okay, I'm expecting a reversal right within the next like a few days and so on. But in order to get the reversal, we will need our 6 hour time frame to flip bullish. Okay, before the 3D time frame, even like a flipping bullish, we should get some sign of a reversal on the 6 hour. The 6 hour is one of the most important time frame. If you take a look at it right here, when bears were calling for like all the 10K bears were calling for like a 10K and all that good stuff, what we said was like, guys, okay, right here we broke out to the upside. Our moving averages just crossed bullish, right? Our 2D 21 EMA. Take a look at the 2D on a 2D basis right here. Okay, the 2D basis flipped bullish, right? We basically started to pump all the way up to a 65 to a 69K area. So that's the same type of setup we will need to see over the next like a few days and so on the 6 hour basis. Meaning like, we just have to be if you're bullish, you just have to be cautious in this range and try to stay vigilant till we get a 6 hour bullish crossover on the upside. Meaning like all these moving averages yellow, right? Our yellow line, that's going to be our blue line right here, going to be somewhere around here, right? And our red line finally, going to stay negative. Okay, so once we get the bullish crossover at some point, somewhere around like let's say 60K to a 65K range, we could say, oops, it is time to get a strong bullish momentum to the upside, right? for the bearish momentum, okay, let's say, if we're going to expect another reversal, all these moving averages, once again, they have to cross negative, okay? They have to cross negative. As I said previously, as long as they're pointing up, right, we're most likely going to see higher prices and all that good stuff. So in the short term, we could look for support somewhere around like a 56.2 all the way down to a 55.6, which is going to be 50% to a 0.618. 0.786 going to be somewhere around like a 54.5, right, all the way down to like a 43.8. 43.8 going to be somewhere around like a 0.888. So keep an eye on the this range right here. If the reversal is strong enough, we're most likely going to see a big reversal on the 3D basis. So, but we will need a big reversal on the 6 hour, okay, before even we talk about like a 3D reversal and all that good stuff, right? So keep an eye on BTC. Just to summarize it, we will need our price action to get back above the 3D 21, right? Okay, we need price action to get back above the 3D 21, and at the same time, we will need at least our 2D 21 EMA, right, to stay below the price action, and MACD has to flip positive. Okay, if you go back, even like back in 2020, right there. Okay, if you guys recall, early 20, late 2020, right, somewhere around like December and all that good stuff. What I was saying was like, okay, we bearish. As soon as we flipped negative right there, right, as soon as we flipped negative right there, what I was saying was like, okay, guys, it is time to pack our bags. MACD just crossed negative, right? You can go back and watch all my videos back then, right? And price action dumped all the way down to like a 10K. And 10K, what happened at 10K? I was bullish right here, okay? Most bears were calling for like a lower prices and all that good stuff, but we did not even break out below like a 97. So pretty important level to keep an eye on, right? Regarding BTC, just about like a 56 all the way down to like a 53. If we can keep support right here with a 3D or 2D reversal, we're most likely going to see higher prices. If not, bears most likely going to control the trend, right, all the way down to the weekly 21 EMA and all that good stuff, right? So weekly 21, it is just about like a 52.7 and 52.7, just about like a 52.7. Okay. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. That's all I wanted to cover for BTC. So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join the public Telegram group, link in the description. You can also join the Discord public group, link in the description. Thanks a lot.